Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, once you're in here, go to the search bar and type in Binance. Alright, once that's done, just hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the first search result. Just click on it and here you have the Binance website. Alright. So the next step would be is to just go ahead and click on sign up right here at the center or sign up right here at the top right. Either way, just click on it. And here you can go ahead and enter your email or phone number. And do keep in mind when entering your phone number, don't include the country code. All right. Now in here, I'm just going to select the continue with the Google option. Just going to click on it and I'm going to select this account. I'm going to wait for it to load. And as you can see here, as easy as that, we have just created our Binance account. Now, before depositing and trading, you're going to want to go ahead and click on verify account right here to complete the identity verification to access all Binance services. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.